Today, Mom and I are going shopping in Bali, but not just anywhere. First, we're hitting Bali's version of a dollar store. And then we're taking you to inside the tiniest IKEA I've ever seen in my life. It's so small you can walk through it in 2 minutes.
That's my list. This is from DIY and this is from IKEA.
Today we're shopping with purpose. We're not just wandering the aisles, throwing things in a cart. Nope, we actually have a plan. Mom made a list, and the goal, buy only what we actually need. Let's see how that goes. Why is that?
Because I like to look.
Okay, so this is the equivalent of a 99-cent store. First stop, Mr. DIY, Bali's version of a dollar store. Part small treasures and part totally useless stuff. Wow. Okay, we got our cart ready. So you have a list. Oh, they have switches. Oh, that's interesting. I've realized for Mom, shopping is her hobby, and it's not something she's about to give up. She just loves browsing and buying, and here she can do it without breaking the bank. It's pretty much her happy place for bargains and quirky little finds. Toilet bowl brush, but this is apples and oranges. I think these are the Cadillac of toilet bowl brushes. I've never seen so much of a selection of toilet bowl brushes. That's funny. All right, plastic toys. Plastic toys, more plastic toys. Plastic toys.
120.
Those things they look wobbly. All of this is like, I mean, you put a dish on it, it's gonna fall over. You need something substantial. Some things here aren't exactly a bargain, like these dish racks here. You look at the price and think, wait, isn't this supposed to be a dollar store?
This one is $2.35.
All right, gift bags. These are cute, because you don't find many gift bags here, but that's a good selection. 13,000, it's like 80 cents for a gift bag. Oh, pet teddy bears. Those are $1. Okay, so there are things for $1. Oh, they have yoga mats. Let's see how much the yoga mats are. Oh, $10 or a little less than that, $8 for a yoga mat here for all the yogis. Dumbbells. But these are 128 for a 5-pounder. Oh my God, they're heavy. So 2 kilograms. Awesome. Skateboard. Basketball. Tennis, anyone? Oh, they have this dartboard. Nice. Ironing board. Those are $242. Oh, okay, this is interesting. This is all correction tape. First of all, not much paper going on here, let alone you need this big section for correction tape. Seriously. It's funny. Oh, and you have a correction pen too. Sticky notes. Whiteboard, that's fun. It's not bad. Containers, containers, containers. For stuff. What are you spray painting now, Mom? Yeah.
Half of 13,000?
There were 6,000 at ASCO. One thing I told Mom when she first moved here is that she needs to start thinking in terms of rupiah instead of dollars. At first she'd say, oh, this is only $1. But now we're training ourselves to speak in rupiah. That's our new currency language.
Jesus, just when you think she's gone, she comes the other way.
What?
Huh? Nothing?
What are you going on about?
I said, just when you think she's gone, here she comes again.
Yeah, they don't have painter's tape here. Would be in here.
In Bali, plumbing fixtures can feel almost disposable. Without a filter, calcium can build up really fast, and sometimes even white vinegar can't save them.
Yeah, the hairdryer situation is very weak here. So, and these are, there's only one kind. Slippers, is that on your list? Oh, Mom's loud. It's on her list. Look at slippers. Hey, Mom, you can get these. These are cool. No? Try mine? I think your cat's gonna have fun with that one. So here's the thing, is we walk around in the concrete or tile. So once in a while, you need to feel comfortable.
This is tight.
Oh my gosh, these are so comfortable. You have no idea. It's a cow, but I don't care. One more lap around the pool, Mom? Is Monster Adventure on your list?
It's right here. Gray paint.
They have journals, notepads. These are really, actually, these are pretty good price. This is $20,000. I use notebooks a lot. Sewing kits.
Lastly, just a quick 2-minute walk through Bali's IKEA, mostly because that's all it takes to see the whole store. The IKEA in Bali is set up really differently from what we might expect. Most of the items aren't in stock. You have to order them online and pick them up here. Honestly, the prices aren't that great either. You can usually get beautiful locally made furniture for a lot less. I've really fallen in love with the Indonesian furniture. I love the natural materials and the craftsmanship. Maybe it's because I'm older now, but that corporate flat-pack furniture just doesn't appeal to me anymore. Well, Mom did pretty well sticking to her list. Only a few detours here and there. I guess the takeaway is that a list helps, but the best part is spending the day together. So my friend's in town, and tomorrow we're heading to an area full of local furniture and decor shops made by artisans, not big corporate manufacturers. I'll be sharing that video in the coming days, so if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more of our retired life in Bali. Oh, and thanks again for all your likes, shares, subscribes, etc., and just for continually supporting us. We so appreciate it. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.